Are you looking for the best sit-up benches? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best sit-up benches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Position Adjustable Utility Bench. Shed excess weight and tone your body with the Marcy Multi-Position Utility Bench. Its backrest and seat can be fixed at -30, 0, 20, 37, 54, and 81 degrees, making it ideal for flat, inclined, declined, or military workouts. The bench has a powder-coated steel frame for durability, and its foam roller pads and upholstery provide superior support and comfort. Moreover, the utility bench is free of phthalates and formaldehyde and is constructed to conform to CPSA standards. Number 2. Finoform Sit-Up Bench. Finoform offers a heavy-duty sit-up bench constructed from sturdy steel with a powder coat finish and a high-density cushion. The ABS bench features a slightly curved backboard that provides a good form and makes your workouts comfortable. It includes integrated handles that allow you to do reverse crunches, forefoot adjustments, and 8 thigh support positions that easily change the height. The flat and decline positions help you perform multiple workouts that target most major muscle groups. You can also check this YouTube video for a complete idea about the core training bench. Number 3. Ritfit Weight Bench. The 33 pounds bench from Ritfit, made from a durable steel frame and high-quality leather, is ideal for home use. It has a foam-padded leather seat and back pads with a quick adjustment knob that lets you readjust the bench into different positions. The abdominal exercise bench features anti-slip, high-density foam rollers that hold your legs and feet in place while working out. The weight bench has a triangular base structure that adds stability to your workouts. It allows you to perform a wide range of strength training exercises comfortably. If you want to know more about the results, take a look at this review on YouTube. Number 4. Marcy Apex Utility Bench. Sculpt and tone your abs, arms, core, and legs with Marcy's Apex slant board made from a heavy-duty, powdered finish steel frame. The extra-long backboard, made with thick foam padding and covered in durable vinyl, makes your workouts comfortable. The abdominal training bench's extra-wide curved back seat makes it ideal for performing sit-ups and other lifting exercises. This slant board also features 4 adjustable ankle and thigh roller pads that firmly hold your ankle and thighs in place while isolating them from upper body muscles. This multifunctional utility bench is an ideal addition to your home gym. Number 5. Relife Rebuild Bench. Relife Adjustable Sit-Up Bench, made from high-grade steel and a high-density foam-padded seat, firmly supports your body and makes workouts comfortable. The bench's extra-wide curved back seat makes it ideal for performing sit-ups and other lifting exercises. It features foam-padded knee and feet rollers with hooks for attaching bungee ropes, which let you perform resistance exercises. This workout bench is ideal for people weighing up to 260 pounds. Number 6. Flybird Adjustable Bench. Flybird's utility bench allows you to adjust the backrest to 6 reclining positions and the seat to 4 reclining positions, making it suitable for a full-body workout. This foldable bench has a triangular structure and is constructed of heavy-duty steel for enhanced stability. Moreover, it supports weights up to 600 pounds and has soft padded foam to provide superior comfort while performing high-intensity exercise, making it the ideal gym-quality sit-up bench. Number 7. Finoform Semi-Bench. Build your muscles, strengthen your body, and improve your posture and balance with the Finoform Semi-Commercial Sit-Up Bench. It comes equipped with 3 level rollers and can be locked at different heights and angles based on the user's height and weight. This bench is made of high-quality steel and boasts thick padding, making it suitable for people of all sizes. This commercial-grade sit-up bench can also be used for crunches, sit-ups, decline bench presses, and abdominal workouts.